Hello chiquitos, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, today I'm gonna show you
6 ways.
Today I'm gonna show you 6 ways on how to get ready in a second without saying much. Let us start this video. The first one is to have a go-to outfit. It's very important to have a go-to outfit, especially for me because I'm always late. It helps me to save time. Just choose one of your favorite outfits or something that you won't take a lot of time. My go-to outfit that can never go wrong is a good pair of high-waist jeans, a white t-shirt and sneakers. Then I just accessorize it a little bit and then voila! The second one is to have your essential products nearby. If you want to save time, try to put your essential product in a place where you don't have to search for them, because the thing is that we are trying to save time. If you're a late person like me and you don't have enough time to look for things, just put everything that you need nearby. Just your daily products. Okay. The third one is to have a go-to makeup. This is not for everybody. It's just for makeup lovers. If you don't want to do makeup at all, it's okay. You've been saving a lot of time. So right now I'm going to show you my 5 minutes makeup. It's very simple. So without saying much, let us see my makeup tutorial. to choose neutral color. Just try to wear neutral color or have a color that identify you, or you just feel like it's easy for you to create an outfit with that color. I told you that I love to wear high-waist jeans and t-shirt, so normally I just grab a blue high-waist jean and a white t-shirt, and then voila, my outfit is already created. The fifth one is to avoid mirrors. I know ladies, you are mirror lovers, so it's very important for you to avoid mirrors. If you go to the bathroom, go straight to your business, do whatever you have to do, just use mirrors when it's really needed. So the sixth one is to set a timer. This is something that saves me, because as I told you guys, I'm a late person and I'm always late. So normally I just set a timer for about 10 minutes and I try to get ready within those minutes. It's not impossible. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave the name of the products that I use in my makeup tutorial down in the description below.